Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how you can fix your Wi-Fi problem. If your Wi-Fi is not working every time it is crashing, how you can solve in your Samsung smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, you have to simply open your settings, go to General Management, scroll down, click on Reset. You have to scroll down, click on Reset Wi-Fi and just reset it. And Wi-Fi setting is now reset. Your all your problem have been fixed. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.